Hello everybody, today we have some interesting product to unbox, so let's see what is it. So as you can see, it is Topic for hair building fibers. It is some keratin fibers and you will see in a moment how it works. So it is made in USA. I ordered, so you have different colors to order, black, brown, blue, etc. So I will show you in a moment how this is used. So let's first try, I think dark brown. I will show you how that looks here. You can see. Then we'll apply it to hair and you can see how it is working. Let's go and try it. Welcome back. So now we will apply this Topic and see how it works. So it can be used on both males and females, and it is especially useful when you have hair. If you are totally bald, then I think it will not help you a lot. So it uses natural keratin protein fibers, and let's see how they works. So apply it just by dipping like a little bit, don't put too much. And then you can do like this, but very gently, don't make it too much. So important thing is, before applying it you need to clean your hair, so wash it so it will not be oily. And so as you can see here, the light is too strong, but you can clearly see the difference. So this you do just gently, so not remove it. And if you want to stick it to your hair, you can use the spray. I will show you that in a moment. Spray it a little bit. So you can use any spray to spray it a little bit, and it will be firm. Then it will not remove from your hair. If you want to remove it, then just wash your hair again and that will be it. And you can use it even for the beard. I'll show you even that. So now you can see the difference, how it looks that I have. And here is especially the light is very strong. So let's see, I'll show you where the light is not so strong. You will clearly see the difference between these two. You can see how my hair is thicker than before, and look at the beard. If you compare these two sides, you clearly see the difference what Topic did. So you can use this even for the beard and for your head. So that's all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.